It was already predicted. And that which was predicted will always come to pass. So he says that Karahi moha basa droha parava santa sanga hari kathana bhava. He says, they are overcome by infatuation, these people, and they bear malice to others. They take no pleasure in satsanga. Satya means saint. Sang is togetherness. So they don't want to be in the companionship of the saintly people. More than that, Harikatha. Harikatha means the teachings of the divine. They don't want to hear about that. They have another kind of thing going. So tell me, what kind of society will one raise or have, experience, when you have these type of people? There could never ever be peace. So in this sojourn on earth, Sri Rama is saying, these are the things that we have to avoid. We have to change our perspective, see something in another dimension. And this is coming from the lips of Prabhu Sri Ram himself. And look at his audience. Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrughan, Hanuman. And of course, we are in that audience also, the entire globe. So in Chaupai, Tulsidas sings. Matikami Veda Vidu Shak Pardhan Swami. He's saying that in this world today, under these people, we have what we call oceans of immorality. Oceans of immorality. These people are dull with it. Their understanding is very poor. Tulsidas is saying they are very lustful, and they revive the Vedas. Tulsidas is saying, Veda Viduk Pardhan Swami. The Vedas. They completely disregard the Vedas and they usurp others' authority, wealth. And that's a common thing. You shouldn't have any wealth, they should have it. So they come to relieve you of your wealth. Under all, they shoot you, they kill you, they do whatever, they murder you for your wealth. It's a way of life now. Tulsidas is saying, Bipta droha sura droha bisesa dambha kapat jia dharehu subesha. He's saying that they bear malice against the Brahmins. They mention that again. The twice born. Who is the twice born? The twice born is that person who has taken a rebirth in his thinking. They call him the Dvij. The Dvij is the twice born. Twice born doesn't mean that you're born a second time, physically. But you're born a second time in terms of your thinking. You become a new person by the way you think. Because a man is his thoughts. Not just a physical frame. You could have a physical frame, but be an animal. And what distinguishes us from the animal, what distinguishes us from animals, is our thinking. So he says, in this age, we have quite a number of these people. They totally disregard the laws. He says they are enemies of the gods. Bit pradroha sur is the Devgans. They are enemy of the Devgans, and they are full of hypocrisy. Tulsidas said, Damba kapata jiya dhare subesha. They are filled with hypocrisy, with treachery in their hearts, and outwardly they wear a saintly garb. Outwardly they wear a saintly garb, but in truth and in fact, they are like wolves in sheep clothing. That is the wicked at heart. That is the unsaintly people. Sri Rama is saying, we should not be like that. There must be this transformation from within. See things in another dimension. See it the correct way. And where do we get the guidance from? The same gurus, the teachers, the brahmanas, the scriptures. This is where we get our teaching. This is where we can transform ourselves to become better human beings. So in this doha he says,